Hey everyone, so today we're doing a video and I'm hoping it's gonna be exciting. I'm not gonna lie, I've been very stressed lately. Like a lot has been going on, a lot has been happening. I've been very busy and I'm just super excited to play with some new makeup. I don't know how entertaining it'll be. I'll try and make it entertaining. You best believe I'll be editing my butt off to make this funny, but I just have so much new makeup that I've just been buying because I've been on a makeup rampage. Like, I don't know what's up with me. Usually I don't care about new launches, but it's like lately, brand new makeup, I'm just like, I pounce. So yeah, I just thought it would be fun today to do a full face of makeup. Some is new, some is old and it's favorites, but I just think it's fun and it's really a chill video for me to just relax and do, and that's what I really feel like doing today. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I genuinely really hope you do, because I can do more of these in the future. They're a lot of fun. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first thing I really want to try out is this Lush Cup O' Coffee Face and Body Mask. This is obviously Lush, so it's fresh, handmade, it's vegan. I am personally not a coffee drinker, just because I don't like the taste, so I won't drink it. But I don't mind the smell, so. A piece of me really wants to apply this with a brush. I don't really know why, so I'm just gonna take this eyeshadow brush, just because I feel like it, and I'm gonna paint it on. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's got like, are these real coffee grounds in here? It sure looks like it. It's super cold. It was in my vehicle, so it's like freezing. It just smells like a really good cup of coffee. Like, I often think like coffee doesn't smell that good, but then there's other coffees that I'm just like, ooh, like that I could drink. And this smells like a coffee I could drink. I actually don't even know what the perks of this mask is. What does it say? Ground coffee scrubs away dirt and dry skin while giving your skin a boost of caffeine. I'm not gonna sleep a wink tonight. I wasn't even really thinking about this, but I hope I don't break out from this because my skin is like weirdly doing okay right now. I don't want to jinx it, but hopefully this doesn't change anything when your skin is finally doing good, so you change up your routine. Oh my goodness, it honestly looks like I've been playing in mud. But okay, I'm gonna let this sit on my face. I'm pretty sure this isn't a mask that you can like peel off, so I'm just gonna let it sit for a while and then I'm gonna rinse it off. It feels good though. It smells so strong like coffee. I kind of like it. Yeah, and I'm excited because I do have dry skin for sure. So hopefully this will like exfoliate that all off because there's so many beads in here.
One eternity later.
All right, my face is all clean. Oh my gosh. My face feels so soft, you guys. That definitely was like an exfoliating mask because as I was washing it off, you like kind of like massaged the beads into your face. And it really feels like it took all the dry skin and just made it so soft. I hope I don't break out. All right, but to start off the makeup, I'm gonna take this Kokie Get Ready Makeup Priming Spray. I have never tried this before and I've never actually heard anyone talk about this brand, so let's see. What does that smell like? That smells like something. All priming and setting sprays to me just totally smell like hairspray. So for foundation, I always use the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and I have the one in 00B Light. This one was hard to find because before it was like 02 was the lightest I could find, but then I found this one online from, oh, what was it called? I think it was well.ca. I use this all the time, but the product I don't use all the time is the Morphe x James Charles brush set and beauty blenders. So we've got the pink beauty blender right here. It's already damp. Okay, wait, you know what else? Okay, so I have this brush, but he sold these brushes with the intent of this brush being like amazing for foundation, and I actually don't even remember the last time I put on foundation with a brush, so I'm very curious because if Jeffrey swears by this, then it's probably good. Ooh. It kind of looks like it's giving like an airbrushed look. I still have a little bit of streakiness. Oh my gosh, it's so sad to see the brush get so yellow from my foundation. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I just don't love the way brushes apply foundation. I just don't think it's as good as a sponge. I'm gonna just switch back. Now usually I don't think primer does anything, but I actually can kind of see a difference in like how the foundation is sitting with this priming spray underneath. Am I being crazy? Is this all in my head? I want to say the Milani 2-in-1 foundation is super high coverage and super great. If you're looking for a high coverage drugstore foundation, I've literally never found one better. All right, now for concealer. I meant to bring the new Fenty concealer, but I forgot it. So I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter concealer. I love these, you know. Like, I just have some favorites and I never stray away from them. Like, if you a favorite, I'll use you every single day. It's just smooth. It's so smooth. It melts so buttery. Like, I can't even believe it.
It's like $6.
All right, Jeffree sponge actually worked really, really good. So I'm happy about that. I'm gonna set it all with the Fit Me loose finishing powder. I've used this once, so I'd like to use it more because everyone swears by it and I just wanna understand. And also I wanna wean myself off the Laura Mercier one. That'd be nice for my bank account. Ooh, I gotta admit, I don't know if it's the primer, the face mask, but my skin is looking like quite smooth. What the heck? Okay, now I'm just going to contour a little bit. I'm going to use this L'Oreal True Match powder, but I'm going to use the Jeffree Star JS3. I literally just realized there's numbers on here. Okay, go in the hollows. I've noticed like my contour has been messed lately, so let me just actually take some care with this. All right, and then I'm going to take the kind of fluffy brush, the JS2, and I'm just going to take a really light hand, I just got it all over me, and just kind of put that all over. I'm going to try and snatch this nose. Like, I'm sick and tired of this. Let's snatch it. Oh my goodness, so snatched. Like, it looks great. I can hardly breathe out my nose. And then I'll step outside and I'm like, oh, my nose. What's going on with my nose? Like, it'll be too much. Brushes, amazing, truly amazing, super soft. I've never actually had Morphe brushes before, so I don't know if the other ones are comparable. I'm assuming they are, so they're just super soft. All right, and then something that I never ever wear, blush. I got the Kylie Valentine's Day collection. Yeah, that was another thing that launched and I for some reason needed it. So I have the blush right here. This is a pressed blush powder in the shade Crush. I literally love when people do light pink packaging. I just think it's the best move ever. And here is the shade. Alrighty, let's see. Where is it? Where is she? All right, that's cute. It's not super noticeable. I don't know how to judge a blush. All I know is that I accidentally banged the back of the brush into the pan. This is why I can't have nice things. I don't know. It's a blush. All right, and then if you guys saw my Jeffree Star mystery boxes, I got the Supreme highlighter in the shade Frozen Peach. I'm so excited about this. Like, oh my god! Stand back, let's see. And now I want to boop the nose. You know what? It looks almost like glitter. All right, so here is the face base thus far. I think we should use another spray. Long-lasting makeup spray or aftermath post makeup spray. Let's do long-lasting. Like a car wash. I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows and base my eyelids off camera because look at that. That's not good. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, eyebrows are on. Lids are no longer purple and veiny. That means it's time for eyeshadow. So I have the Kylie Jenner Press Powder Palette. This was for her Valentine's Day collection. Again, yeah, I just had to have this apparently, even though I have these shades in other palettes. I just, for some reason, needed this one. So here they are. I mean, it's super, super pretty. I think we're gonna start off by putting Princess in the crease. And then I think we'll take Pink Problems and put that in next. All right, so now I'm gonna take the shade First Date on the Jeffree Star JS6 brush, and I'm just going to kind of like taper that in. This brush is really, really nice for like getting right in there. Now I want to go into these shimmery colors. I think I want to use Be Mine. Actually, should I use Romance? I'm fun. I'm fun. I'm gonna cut the crease with a brush. We're gonna take Romance, which is this like pretty pinky purple color, on a wet brush. Is this one of those things where you have to use your finger? Is this what this is about? This Admirer shade, it's like this brown color, and I'm going to smoke out the lash line. So I'm going to take one of these sprays, and I'm just gonna coat my brush in this, and then I'm gonna spray it. Yeah, I gotta stop like scrunching down here. Like, I want you to see what I'm doing, so I'm gonna just stay up here. I'm just going to wing out the side. It honestly looks like you've done eyeliner the whole way through, but it's actually just the eyeshadow and then the eyeliner at the end. It's a beautiful illusion. Okay, honestly, this palette, very nice. I don't think I necessarily needed it, but I'm happy to have it. Here's the eyeshadow we were able to create with it. Great for rock climbing, so that's nice. Okay, so now I want to try something out. I have a bunch of these colored eyeliners from Koki Cosmetics again, and I want to try and put a lighter one in my waterline. I used to do that so much, and then I just kind of stopped, so I'm curious to try it. What a great angle you guys are experiencing right now. Did that do anything? Did it open my eyes more? Alright, so now we are moving on to lips. I have the Kylie set. See, I bought the whole Valentine's Day set, so I just have a lot of new stuff from here. But I am excited to try this. I did not think when I started this video that I was going for a pink look, but look at us now. Let's see how this trio goes together. Oh my gosh, that is darker than I thought. Also, that's bent. I'm gonna try the Jeffree Star lip liner. This is kind of like a nude. Oh my goodness, okay, calm down, Mia. You need to focus. Oh my goodness, I'm doing terrible. That is not the color that I wanted to be wearing right now, but that's okay. Let's try this. Again, it's in Wish You Were Here, and the sticker's like falling off basically. So whoever put this on was in a big rush for the Valentine's Day season, so. Oh my gosh, this color would look amazing on a deeper skin tone. Smells good. Let's move. Alright, there's what that lip set looks like on. Honestly, I'm not gonna give it the best review just because the lip liner was like broken and the lipstick's like name was falling off. It just seemed like whoever was producing it was in like a huge rush, which isn't the best. The actual product is nice. So here is the finished makeup look of a bunch of new products and just products that I wanted to give a shot. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know it wasn't the most entertaining probably, but it really, really was nice to just sit and play with makeup. And I can't wait for the looks I'm gonna get at, well, rock climbing, because this is out of the ordinary. Thank you guys so much for watching. I post on Fridays and Sundays, and I would like to see you there. If you want to click the subscribe button, you'll get notified. Actually, you might not get notified. You should probably click the bell, because then you probably will. Not even 100% that you will though, but maybe just click the bell and hopefully, and hope, because I'm hoping. But yeah, okay, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!